Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Google Classroom app and signing in with your school account. This links assignments and grades. Once signed in, tap the plus button and choose Join Class, then type the class code or accept the teacher's invite so you become a member. Open the stream to view announcements and the first posts. This gives context on deadlines and materials. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss urgent updates. You'll move to classwork to find organized topics and assignments. This area contains everything due. Tap an assignment to read instructions and rubric, then use Add or Create to attach files from Drive, upload photos, or compose a doc. You'll know why. Attachments become part of your submission. Once files are attached, tap Turn in or mark as done. If it's a quiz or Google form, submit there and confirm. Keep drafts, and you finish by checking the Grades tab to track scores and teacher feedback. This helps you prioritize revisions. If work is returned, reopen the assignment to read comments, and when allowed, resubmit corrected files. Do this promptly to improve grades. If something goes wrong, like missing submissions or sync errors, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or verify your network and account permissions with your school. These steps usually restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.